makers. Can we have resounding applause for each one of us before we start the event? Let's just put some energy. I think there are a few people who are not clapping. Can you please do that? Thank you. So it gives me immense pleasure and extreme pride to welcome all of you to the National Education Summit 2025. Education is not just about acquiring degrees. Education is about creating vision, shaping character, and empowering generations. And today we are gathered here to celebrate those very minds who have dedicated their lives to this mobile mission. Well, my name is Ankur Rimjit Dubey. I am your host for the day. On the behalf of National Skill and Vocational Education Council, I extend a very warm welcome to each one of you. Ladies and gentlemen, we have extreme privilege and profound honor to be joined by some of the renowned dignitaries in their respective fields, and now we are going to have a felicitation of them on the stage. May I please request Mr. Mohammed Qasim, can we resounding applause for the chairman of NSVEC to join us on the stage for the felicitation of our esteemed dignitaries.